Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am going to do unboxing number 7. There's not much inside because I was closing a link down and had to spend what I had. So I did. And I got the peach ink. I think that one I got for half price. The code for that one is Z6502. So I got that. I got some bubbles. And I got the Friskers paper trimmer. I have been wanting to get this one for some time. Just so I can make things a little bit easier on me. The code for that one is, if I can get it to focus, is Z4211 paper trimmer. So, like I said, there wasn't much in this box. So we have the paper trimmer and the ink that I didn't have yet. I will be doing another live soon, and then uploading it to my YouTube channel, which is also Crafting with Jenny Francis. If you have any questions, shout out, comment below, either on here or on YouTube. I will put the links and the codes in the description. If you need anything else, please shout out. Alright then, catch you on another video soon. Bye.